Hi guys, we have here the OMWH hair dryer. It's the rotating, orbiting hair dryer. Comes in a box like this. Let's go ahead and open this up. Give you guys a look at how you will receive the product and how you have to set it up. So it comes like this, neatly, all nicely packed, styrofoam and everything. Make sure it doesn't break. So let's go ahead and remove that. This is the top part, the head, as you can see. Put that over here. You got a quick look. So you remove that. At the bottom is where you find the parts. So there you have that's the bottom piece. Let's go ahead and so that's pretty much what you get. It also comes with the instructions. There you have the instructions on how to use it and install and everything, and all the instructions there. So it's a great quality product, highly recommended for those who are looking for this. Great quality, great pricing as well. Let me give you guys a quick look. So there you have it on the back there. You can see the timers, settings, shape, hot oil, hair care, hair dye, hair dry, start, pause, on, off button. So nonetheless, great quality product. So there you have it, guys. Here's a quick unboxing of what you'll receive. We will do a future video later on, looking at our YouTube videos of the product working on its own, all nicely set up. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.